Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove a background from any photo. So without any delay, let's get started. The first step we use is called as the background remover. The download link will be in the description down below, and make sure you like and subscribe. And now here we have certain tools like repair, magistrate, and even manual. You can use manual to erase anything you want with your hand. You can increase or decrease the size. And now coming to repair, if you unfortunately erase anything which you want to be in the photo, you can repair it using the repair option. And there is something called as auto. It differentiates between the shades of different figures and actually automatically deletes it. The fourth one is called as magic. It actually is the best tool to use. It automatically differentiates between the shades and erases it. And see, if you have both black and white mixed at the picture, it will erase to the pointer where you take it. It will erase all white shades and keep the black shades like that. And after that, you can choose the smoothness of your border. I don't keep it to 5, because if you keep it to 5, half of the borders of the body will be decreased. Keep it to 2 or maximum 2. Yeah, 2 is the best thing to keep. And after that, let's move on to the second app. The second app is called as BGREMOVER. It's an automatical AI which detects the person in the picture and removes the whole background. It is so simple. You can just erase the picture within 2 steps. First, upload the picture, and it automatically detects and erases the whole background. And that's it, guys. You've done it, and you can download it easily. And thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe and stay safe, guys. See you later.